If you're willing and able to do a little rock hopping from this very popular Cornish beach, you can find some pretty cool places. Cave number 1. I should have brought my head torch. But this is what I've come to see. Look at that beautiful mermaid pool. You've got to be very careful, because if you get here at the wrong type of tide, then you're going to end up in big trouble. This is the place. If you enjoy finding places like this, please consider joining my channel, because I'm going to be seeking these out all year. It's cool. Right, one in the entrance. Very silhouetted. Lovely. See how fast it's coming in?
Yeah.
And just round there, we'll have a look another day.